very warm welcome to the College of Design and Engineering, or CDE for short. CDE is one of the largest and most diverse colleges at NUS. We are a vibrant community of students, educators, and researchers working across design, architecture, and engineering. My name is Leong. I'm the Dean of CDE. At CDE, we offer 15 undergraduate programs spanning design, architecture, and engineering. What makes our college an exciting place for students like you is our mission at CDE: to inspire, to innovate, and to transform. Our faculty and departments are globally recognized and ranked among the best in the world. But beyond rankings, what truly defines CDE is how we design your learning experience. Our curriculum is flexible, it is innovative, and it gives you the freedom to explore, experiment, and create across boundaries. Learning at CDE goes far beyond the classroom. You will master the fundamentals, but you will also work on real-world challenges, collaborate across disciplines, and gain hands-on experience through projects, internships, and industry partnerships. We are living in the time of rapid global transformation, a transformation driven by AI. AI is changing how we live, how we work, and how we imagine the future. So, how do we prepare you to make an impact in the world being reshaped by AI? We do this by embedding AI learning opportunities across the CDE curriculum, including a new minor in AI. We'll build a strong AI literacy, develop data awareness, and gain a solid ethical foundation. At the same time, we continue to nurture what matters most: human insights, creativity, and judgment. These are the qualities that will define future leaders in an increasingly complex world. Beyond campus, you will have access to global opportunities, student exchange programs with partner universities worldwide, internship with leading industry players, overseas community engagement, and much more. Here at CDE, the world is truly at your feet. The possibilities are limitless, and it all begins with you, and with taking that first step. We look forward to welcoming you to our vibrant community and to seeing where your journey will take you. Welcome to CDE, welcome to your future.